This is Rwamba village in Siaya. The entire settlement covered in water. A swollen river Nzoia threatening to cut off the Nzoia bridge, which is the main connector between Siaya and the Busia highway. Hundreds of residents are still marooned, waiting for humanitarian workers from the Kenya Red Cross to rescue them from their misery.
Cherangani Hills and other places upstream on this Nzoia River. And we have experienced a lot of destruction of property. The houses are completely submerged.
A county that's yet to recover from the locust invasion, now facing another calamity. 3 locations within Ilchamus ward in Baringo suffered flash floods and mudslides following a week-long heavy rains.
There are over 10,000 ambayo watu wamekuwa affected because all of this area imekuwa affected. Lakini zaidi ni kwa sababu ya hii mito mbili ambayo imeshikana.
River Perkera and Molo River, which are tributaries of Eldama Ravine and Mau rivers, have burst their banks, flooding Salabani, Ngamo and Eldume villages. The situation in neighboring West Pokot County isn't any better. The semi-arid area, which is synonymous with perennial food shortage, is staring at a crisis. Hundreds of families displaced by floods are reportedly unable to afford a meal to keep them going.
Asilimia kubwa na wanategemea mifuko na hiyo ndio maisha yao, na sasa wakati soko imefungwa, hakuna bei, hakuna nini, watu wanaumia. So nataka niseme kwamba West Pokot kwa jumla nafikiri hatujasikia mali ambapo chakula imepeanwa. Na sasa
And in Laikipia County, residents in Arua are grappling with huge losses occasioned by torrential rains. Over 400 acres of perishable vegetables has turned into an artificial lake following 3 days of rainfall.
Ile main drainage ya kwenda katika conservancy kwa Kuki, tunaomba tusaidiwe. Haiwezi fanywa na mkono. Lazima tingatinga ikuje immediately, ishibe wide, ndio hiyo maji iweze kupungua wakati huko, sababu tunaona mvua bado itaendelea.
Even as they hope for clearer skies, the impact of the long rains, which is expected to continue in the coming weeks, will demand that disaster management teams send humanitarian support to alleviate the suffering. Brenda Cheriot, K24, Punchline.